The domain model is an integral part of the Windows NT server in the enterprise environment. The use of the domain model allows administrators to combine users, groups, and resources logically. In the domain model, all administration is centralized to a Windows NT server that has been designated as the primary domain controller, or PDC. So instead of logging on to a server, the users will log on to a domain. Then, based on their privileges, they can access any of the resources from within the domain. The domain model is scalable to both small and large organizations. Multiple domains may be necessary. This is why it is so critical to plan our domains carefully. A well-planned domain will ensure that the time we spend managing the network is spent efficiently. The Windows NT Server domain model is a powerful and flexible way to maintain network accounts and resources. The role the NT server will play in the domain is determined by the configuration defined when the server is installed. The NT server can be assigned one of three roles: primary domain controller, or PDC, backup domain controller, or BDC, and member server. It is critical that we plan our NT server roles carefully prior to installation. This is because once a server has been installed as a primary or backup domain controller, it cannot be changed to a member server or vice versa without being reinstalled. The primary domain controller holds the Master Security Accounts Manager, or SAM, database for the entire domain. Because the PDC's SAM database is read-write, it is the only server that can make changes to it. In addition, the PDC is the first NT server to be installed into the domain and is assigned a Domain Security ID, or SID, that is used to define the domain. All administration for the domain takes place through the PDC. And once the changes are made to the PDC, the changes are then pushed out or copied to the backup domain controllers. By default, the changes to the SAM database are sent out every 5 minutes. So, after the synchronization is complete, the BDCs will have an exact duplicate on the PDC's SAM database.